Hello everyone, welcome to Malkeet Academy. So in this video I'm going to show you how we can sign in Microsoft Teams. In previous videos I showed you that how you can add a single user or user in bulk. So we have successfully added faculty members and student into our 365 account. In this video I'm going to use those user IDs and passwords to sign in Microsoft Teams. So let's get started. First of all, let me show you those email and IDs, password that I have downloaded when I have successfully added users in my account. So here these are the CSV files for both students and IDs. So what I'm going to do, I'm copying and pasting email ID and password. This is the CSV file for faculty. So here are all the emails. So what I'm going to do, I'm copying this email and put it in the Microsoft Teams. So I'm inputting the email ID here. So this is my faculty email ID. So click on sign in. After clicking on the sign in, it will ask you to enter the password. So I'm entering the password here. So whenever a user logging in for the first time, so this website will always ask to reset your password. So always update your password. I'm copying pasting the old password and setting the new password here. Always try to add a strong password. So I'm adding a strong password here, combination of different letters, and click on sign. Here as on the screen, as you can see that we are successfully logged in this demo. You can see on the screen it is currently the member of two groups, or we can also say two teams. First one is electrical engineering 1 and second one is computer engineering session 1. This user John Sarah is the faculty member. So it has all the functionality for private chats and private calls. He can call anyone in the organization, he can chat with anyone in the organization, or he can start private chats, he can build their own teams and assignments, calendar, he can schedule private meetings. So because he is a faculty member, so being a faculty member, he can do all these things, make private calls and scheduling private meetings. But after that, I am signing into a student's account, and I'll also show you specifically that how this will be a very big mess for the organization if the organization allows students to do private chats or scheduling private meetings or making calls throughout the organization. So in the next video I will be showing you how to put restrictions, how to make messaging policies, how to make calling policies, to remove all these functionalities like chat, even calls and certain policies, so that a student as a user cannot do such things. So as for example, I am signing into a student's account now. Demonstration, now I'm signing in this Microsoft Teams by using a student's ID. So here is the student's ID and clicking on sign in. And after that, I'm inputting the password. So copying and pasting the password, click on sign in. So as this user is also the first time user, we have to change the password for that also. And changing the password. So always put your password a strong one, that the combination of capital letters, small letters, alphabets and special symbols. The purpose of me signing into a student's account is that to show you that what kind of restrictions and what kind of policies we need to change in the Teams admin panel, because this is very important for a organization to put restrictions on you successfully logged in this entry your student account. So this is a student's account. So as you can see here in the left navigation pane, there are chats button. So this student can start private chats. This student can make a private calls to anyone in the organization. So that is a very big problem here. So that is why I am again and again asking you to make uh, policies for that, to put restrictions on students, because we do not want that some faculty member has scheduled a meeting and without the actual host or this faculty member, students started their own online meeting. So we do not want that. To avoid that, in the next video, I will show you how to put restriction, how to create your messaging policies, how to create your calling policies and meeting policies. So all these options here, as you can see, these are the various options for chatting, calling, and private meetings that will be turned off only for the students. So stay tuned and thanks for watching this video.